Welcome, crochet enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring 15 stunning large crochet flower patterns that will bring a vibrant garden into your home. Let's dive into this colorful world of crochet blooms. Native to Mexico, zinnias were named after German botanist Johann Gottfried Zinn. These resilient flowers can withstand hot summer temperatures, making them popular in gardens worldwide. In Japan, hydrangeas are associated with apology and gratitude. There's a legend of an emperor who gave hydrangeas to the family of the girl he loved to show his remorse for neglecting her. Discovered in 1884 near Barberton, South Africa, these cheerful flowers are often used in studies of flower formation. They're the fifth most popular cut flower in the world. Native to Southeast Asia, these orchids get their name from their resemblance to moths in flight. In Chinese medicine, they're believed to help lung problems and boost the immune system. The name comes from the Greek words dios, God, and anthos, flower, meaning flower of the gods. In the Victorian era, they were given to show deep, pure affection. Named after Swedish botanist Anders Dahl, these flowers were once grown as a food source by the Aztecs. They're the national flower of Mexico and the official flower of San Francisco. In Japan, there's an ancient imperial seal featuring a chrysanthemum with 16 petals. These flowers are so revered in Japanese culture that they have a festival dedicated to them called Festival of Happiness. Native to North America, sunflowers were cultivated by indigenous peoples as early as 3000 BC. They're not just one flower, but hundreds of tiny flowers clustered together. The name geranium comes from the Greek word geranos, meaning crane, as the seed pods resemble a crane's bill. They've been used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. Named after Swedish botanist Baron Claes Alstromer, these flowers are native to South America. In the Inca culture, they were associated with friendship and mutual support. In Greek mythology, Iris was the goddess of the rainbow, acting as a messenger between gods and humans. The fleur-de-lis, a stylized iris, has been used in heraldry for centuries. These ancient flowers evolved before bees existed, so they're pollinated by beetles instead. Fossils of magnolia-like plants date back 95 million years. In Greek mythology, lilies sprang from the milk of Hera, the queen of gods. They've been cultivated for over 3,000 years and were once considered a symbol of French royalty. This flower, native to Thailand, is actually not a rose but a type of ginger. Its vibrant colors and unique shape make it a favorite in tropical floral arrangements. Cultivated in China for millennia, these roses played a crucial role in the development of modern roses. They were introduced to Europe in the late 18th century, revolutionizing rose breeding.